So if you own a Warn winch, this is the video for you. Let's go. If you have not seen the video where I replaced my wife's Warn winch with a Badlands 3,500 pound winch, I'll link that video above me now. Go ahead and check that out. But here's the information that I was told. One of my subscribers reached out to me and said, bro, you know that Warn will get that winch fixed for free for you. I was like, oh, I wasn't aware of that. Some of you guys might be aware of that. Some of you guys might not. That Warn will actually warranty that winch for you free of charge. You just need to ship it to them. Now, here's where the asterisk comes in. So you call Warn, they say, yeah, they take down some of your information. They give you a couple locations where you can ship that winch off to. You ship it off to them. They called me, they got it fixed for free. Here's where the crazy part comes in. The lady informed me, I don't want to drop the company's name because I'm definitely not trying to badmouth them or get them into trouble by any means, but she informed me, how can I say this? That they got my winch fixed for free. It's not gonna cost me anything. However, Warn will not warranty a winch that has water damage. This winch was mounted from the factory on an ATV that's an XMR, extreme mud ready. So I said, ma'am, I'm not, I appreciate that. Thanks for getting me fixed. But I'm trying to understand, how can I possibly keep this winch that's mounted all the way at the bottom of the ATV, all the way in the front, keep it from getting water in it? I've seen other, with Jeeps or trucks that go off-road, they had the winch mounted on their bumper up top, and they put like a Warn winch cover on top of it to keep the elements off. That makes sense. I have no idea how I can keep the Warn winch that's on the front of my extreme mud ready machines, keep it from getting water damage, or keep it from getting water into it. She informed me that these winches are water resistant, they aren't waterproof. Now, I will say this, my bro, he did purchase a Warn winch that is above the factory. He went to like a second stage and got another Warn winch, I think it's good for about 3,500 pounds. That is like IP67 waterproof. So I don't know if Warn will warranty those winches if they do have water damage, or if it's just these that come factory on these CanAms. But she informed me that if I send it back again and it has water damage or water in it, they will not be able to warranty it. I guess this time it did not have water in it. I definitely appreciate the business that fixed my winch. That was greatly appreciated. I also appreciate the information that she gave me, but I do feel like this is important information for all of you guys out there that have Warn winches. But I did want to just pass this information on to you guys to let you know that from what I was told, Warn won't warranty winches with water damage. These winches are only water resistant. It goes back to one of the first videos I made about remorse of buying a CanAm. Now, granted, I love my Renegade. I would buy one again, or I'd buy an Outlander, to be 100% honest with you. That video has almost, I think it's getting close to 10,000 views now. It's probably one of my best videos at this time. But what's funny is I mentioned that these are ATVs that are extreme mud ready, but they're really not extreme mud ready. If you look at some of the issues, some of the things that I was mentioning in that video, I'll drop a link to that now here if you have not watched that. But again, this is supposed to be an extreme mud ready machine you pay top dollar for, and you're telling me that my winch is only water resistant, and that if I get water in it, you guys Warn's not going to warranty my winch. Now, I will say this, the Harbor Freight Badlands 3,500 bolted straight up to my wife's Outlander, so I would assume that also bolts straight up to my Renegade. Well, let's go ahead and grab the wife's Warn winch, crack that box open, make sure that they send me what they're supposed to send me. So let's just get right into that. I feel like if you guys ever watch Soundman's channel, how he's always opening boxes and he acts like he's slicing his hand open, that's how I feel right now. Let's go ahead and open this. Now, I will say this, guys. It took them a week to get it fixed. Maybe a week and a half to get it fixed and back to me. Let's see what we got here. Here she is. The lady informed me that I guess I burnt the motor out. I guess I'm assuming because I'm always sending it, getting stuck, and the wife's having to pull me out. So this is basically just going to be a backup for the wife or for me or whoever. Upgrade to synthetic rope since it's out. All right, guys, that's just another day hanging out with your boy PA. I'm gonna be dropping one more mud ride video from Mud Nats, so stay tuned for that. On a side note, guys, do have some goodies that have been ordered for the Renegade, so those should be coming here shortly. They're coming from Canada, so if that gives you a little bit of a clue, it might not, but there's some improvements that we need to make to that Can-Am. So anyway, I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.